Hey friends, remember we talked about a nickel yesterday? A nickel is worth 5 cents. All right, so told you that I was going to talk to you about counting by fives. And so what I have done here is brought in a hundreds chart, and then I have put a red box around all the numbers we use to count by fives. All right, so when you count by fives, you're going to count like this: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And it almost sounds like a little beat. Miss Hendry finds herself bobbing her head left to right. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Good.